Yeah, the ground's a little wet. Been raining for like 3 days. Finally it stopped this morning. Still a little wet. Kind of spooky in the woods. Rather pretty though. Peaceful. Can't wait for summer. Then I can be in the woods playing G.I. Joe. All I see is dead trees. Dead trees. Yeah, normally I take a compass with me, but today I left the compass at home. Just kind of going with my wilderness instinct. For the most part, I'm pretty good at. A bear don't get me, or a lion or a tiger. I should be okay. Of course, there's no bears out where I live. There are a few mountain lions. Not really mountain lions, I don't know what you call them actually. I know they sound like a baby crying whenever they howl. What do we have here? Just walking through the bush. That's where I came from. It's like walking on a deer trail. Cuts right through here and it goes off that direction and back off over there through the trees. Yeah, there's ground cover right here. trees are kind of low down on the ground. Usually when I take my wife, she don't normally go walking through all this brush and under tree limbs and crawling on your hands and knees just to get to the other side. So I kind of do that by myself, which is rather fun. If you can't be one with nature, then you shouldn't be out in the woods. That's my theory. Gotta get up and close and personal. And like, I know these ain't blueberries, but they remind me of blueberries. Juniper, I think. I think they're juniper. If not, this video will show that I am really ignorant. I see a bird in the sky, but I don't think I'm recording him. That or he's too far away. Yeah, fingers are about froze to death. Well, yeah, let's see. Over there somewhere is a trail, and over here, all through them bushes, is where I come from. To put on my glove, fingers are froze. Let's see here. Ain't really nothing over there. Well, I was going to go in there, but getting a scent of cat piss, so I'm going to avoid this right now at the moment. I hope you liked the video, and adios.